Hello, you are welcome. The question here says simplify 4 multiplied by 4 raised power x plus 1 plus 8 multiplied by 4 raised power x minus 1 all divided by 4 raised power x plus 1 minus 4 raised to the power x. Now, for us to solve this, we try and break down these powers, these values here, and also these ones that have double powers. We try and break them down to the same base that they have. So for us to do that now, I'm going to say is equal to this 4 here. I'm going to write it the way it is, open bracket. This 4 raised power x plus 1 can be written as 4 raised to the power x multiplied by 4 raised to the power 1. Because according to the law of indices, when you have the same base like this, you add the powers. So you can just simply take one of the base like this, and then you add the powers, which is x plus 1. So it will take you back to this point. So when you are splitting this, you take the base, take one of the power, and then you multiply by the same base and raise to the other power, just as we have done here. And then plus 8 now, I can break down to 2 times 4 because I need 4 because as you can see, 4 is common everywhere. So I'm going to say 2 multiplied by 4 and then open up brackets. Now, this one that is 4 raised power x minus 1, according to indices, because of this subtraction, it is going to be 4 raised to the power x all divided by 4 raised to the power 1. Because from indices, when you have division like this, you take one of the bases and then you subtract the powers. You subtract the powers, which is x minus 1. So when you have subtraction in the powers, you just take one of the base and then divide it by the base 2 raised to the power of the other number there, which is what I've done here. So in subtraction, you do it this way. In addition, you do it this way. And then all divided by what I have here. I'm going to break it down similar to the way I did it here. So it's going to be 4 raised to the power x. Then because of addition, I'm going to say multiply by the same base 4 raised to the power 1. So this is also equal to this. And then minus, this is 4 raised to the power x. I can simply leave it like that. So that is how to break it down when you have addition and subtraction of powers. Now, the next thing I can do now with what I have done so far is to use these values under to see how to simplify the values inside the bracket. So this is 4 and this is also 4. So don't forget 4 raised power 1 is the same thing as 4. So I can use this 4 to multiply this 4 so that it will give me 4 raised to the power x times 4 times 4 is 16. And then plus here, this is 4 raised to the power 1, which is the same thing as 4. And then this is 4 here. So this 4 can cancel this 4. So 4 can cancel 4. So what I'm left with here is 2 raised, all bracket open, 4 raised to the power x. So this is what I have next now. These 2 here multiplying this 4 raised to the power x. And then all over. Now, if you check this, I can factor this denominator. I can factor this. So 4x is common, and then here is also 4x. So I can take out 4x, that's 4 raised power x, open up brackets. Now, don't forget, this is 4 multiplied by 4x. So when this divides 4 raised power x, I'll be left with this, because 4 raised power x will cancel 4 raised to the power x. So I'll be left with 4 raised to the power 1, which is the same thing as 4. Then minus 4 raised to the power x divided by 4 raised to the power x will give me 1. So that is that. And then the next thing I can do here is to look at this numerator again, I can factor this numerator. 4 raised power x is common here, and 4 raised power x is also common. So I can simply take 4 raised to the power x, open up bracket. So this 16 multiplied by 4 raised to the power x, when I divide it by 4 raised power x, 4 raised to the power x, we cancel 4 to the power x. So I'll be left with 16 here. And then this addition sign here. Then 2 multiplied by 4 to the power x divided by 4 to the power x. This 4 to the power x will also cancel 4 to the power x. And I'll be left with 2 here. And then I can close bracket. And then don't forget my denominator remains 4 to the power x all multiplied by 4 minus 1. So the next thing to do now, you agree with me, is to cancel this, because these two, they are common. So this can cancel this. So what I'll be left with now is 16 plus 2, which is 18, all divided by 4 minus 1, which is 3. So 18 divided by 3, you agree with me, is equal to 6. And that is the final answer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share this video so that others can learn from it. And then subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.